Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2016 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic we have new in stock. This particular Range Rover Sport is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and I'm just going to run you through some of the features you get, starting with some of the exterior features. You've got the optional 22-inch style 504 alloy wheels, painted in silver. You've also got the optional fitted fixed side steps on the side, the optional privacy glass, and you've also got the stealth package. This gets you the satin black exterior accents, such as the front grille, the Range Rover scripting, the fog light surrounds, the upper halves of the mirror caps, and some of the trim on the rear of the car as well. You've got a full leather interior with your perforated leather seating, full electric functions for the driver and the passenger, your leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to your cruise control functions on the right hand side, and a digital driver's display. On the centre console, you've got some of your dynamic driving modes, your leather wrapped drive selector as well. You've got your climate control functions further up, and access to some of your infotainment features from the centre screen, such as DAB. You've got the heated and cooled front seats, which are accessible from here as well, and you've also got heated rear seats. These are added optional features. Lastly, you've got the panoramic sliding sunroof above, which is another added optional inclusion from the factory. If you would like any more information on this 2016 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.